Here's our second example involving working with a special right triangle, the 45, 45, 90. And notice this time we don't have these values. We have the side that is across from our 90-degree angle, our right angle, and we know it's 10 root 2. Once again, if you look at this, we have congruent sides. If those sides are congruent, these have to be congruent angles. And the only way for the math to work out has to be that this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Otherwise, you won't have your 180 degrees needed to make a triangle. Okay, so let me just redraw my special right triangle over here to the side real quick. So in every single 45, 45, 90 triangle, if this is x, this is x, this is root 2 times the x. So I talked about this in an earlier video, but if I want to go from my hypotenuse to this, I know that my relationship says that I need to divide by the square root of 2. So if this side is 10 root 2, and I want to know what is this side over here, I'm just going to divide by the square root of 2 and I'll have my answer. So if I take 10 root 2 and divide that by root 2, notice that this works out very nicely with the root 2's canceling out, and my x has to be 10. And realize that, that makes sense, because if I would have started here with 10 units across from my 45, multiplying by the square root of 2 gives me that 10 root 2.